hell lot of chaos. So there is another case study, and the case study is based on order of granting a maintenance to a person, and if you are not able to pay the maintenance, this order is not a protection, and if you violate this order, it doesn't comes under, or you cannot prosecute a person under section 31 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005. So this whole case study is very chaotic, and it is chaotic for a husband who was not able to pay the maintenance amount to her wife. So she went to the JMFC, that is the Judicial Magistrate First Class. So before coming to that point, you need to know about the case title. So let's go through this video. Don't miss the video and watch the complete video. So it will be very helpful if someone is going through a criminal proceedings or something like that. And High Court has quashed the order of the Judicial Magistrate First Class. First of all, I need to tell you that. So be with me on this video. Don't miss out the video. Well, the case study that is based on a criminal petition, and this case study is from क्या हुआ है. So इसके जो केस टाइटल है वो है मोहम्मद यासीन वर्सेस अनीसा मोहम्मद यासीन, एंड ये जो कि बेस्ड है मेंटेनेंस के ऊपर. मेंटेनेंस जो कि एक हस्बैंड पे नहीं कर पाए थे अपनी वाइफ को. So here the petitioner is the husband, that is Mohammed Yasin, and the respondent is her wife and her daughter. So the respondent, her name is Anisa Mohammed Yasin. What she did, what is the whole case study about, and what is the background, कैसे ये start हुआ. So here the respondent, that is Anisa Mohammed Yasin, and her daughter, that is the petitioner's daughters as well, filed a private complaint against his husband, and against his husband, that he is not paying the maintenance as per the rule and as per the order. So what she did, she filed a complaint, private complaint against him. And here the section that has been attracted according to them was under section 31. So JMFC ने under section 31 of the डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट 2005 के अकॉर्डिंग उन्हें बुक किया. क्रिमिनल पिटिशन, क्रिमिनल केस उनके अगेंस्ट दायर हुआ. सो इस केस स्टडी में जो अग्रीव पर्सन है वो है पिटिशनर, दैट इज़ मोहम्मद यासीन, एंड उसी को लेके वो हाई कोर्ट में गए, जो JMFC ने उन्हें बुक किया अंडर सेक्शन 31 ऑफ द डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट 2005. अकॉर्डिंग टू डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट 2005, अगर आप उसे वायलेट करते हैं और उससे अगर उसके अंदर बुक होते हैं तो आपको आपकी जो टर्म पीरियड है फॉर इम्प्रिजनमेंट कैन एक्सटेंड अप टू 1 year. यू हैव टू पे द फाइन एज वेल, और यू हैव टू पे द फाइन दैट इज 20,000 rupees, or you have to do both, means you have to suffer 1 year of imprisonment as well as you have to pay 20,000 fine as well. So after this particular thing कि वो मेंटेनेंस पे नहीं कर पा रहे थे, उनके अगेंस्ट एक क्रिमिनल पिटिशन दायर हो गई, क्रिमिनल केस लॉन्च कर दिया गया है. तो उसी के डर के चक्कर में वो भागे हाई कोर्ट में. एंड हाई कोर्ट ने क्या किया, क्या ऑब्जर्व किया, और JMFC जो कि जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट फर्स्ट क्लास थे, उन्होंने जो यहाँ पे रिस्पोंडेंट है अनीसा मोहम्मद यासीन, उनकी स्टेटमेंट को सुना और उसके अकॉर्डिंग उन्होंने फैसला दिया. तो यहाँ पे कौन कौन से एरर हुए हैं, क्या ऑब्जर्व किया है, वो सब डिस्कस किया जाएगा. Well, the Dharwad bench High Court was listening to a criminal petition that has been filed by the husband, and it is for quashing the criminal proceeding that has been filed against him by the JMFC, as he has ordered to file a criminal petition against him under section 31 of Domestic Violence Act 2005. Well, why he filed it, as I have told you earlier, क्योंकि वाइफ ने भी प्राइवेट कंप्लेंट करी थी. यहाँ पे जो जस्टिस हैं वो हैं ऑनरेबल जस्टिस, सिंगल बेंच है, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस शिव शंकर अमरानवर, एंड व्हाट ही वाज डूइंग एंड व्हाट ही जजमेंट ही रिलाइड ऑन. सो यहाँ पे अगर आपने अंडर सेक्शन 18 वो बुक हुए हैं और कोर्ट ने ऑब्जर्व किया है जहाँ पे ये प्रोहिबिट होता है एक पर्सन के लिए, अग्रीव पर्सन मीन्स वाइफ को कॉन्टैक्ट करने के लिए फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द पिटिशनर, दैट इज हस्बैंड. वहाँ पे क्लियरली उनको ना उनसे कम्युनिकेट किया जाता है, ना कोई वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन होता है, वहाँ प्रोहिबिशन रहता है. अगर आप डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस से सफ़र कर रहे हो तो वहाँ पे रिस्पोंडेंट को, मीन्स जो कि प्रीवियसली जो रिस्पोंडेंट थे इन JMFC जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट फर्स्ट क्लास के सामने, वो थे यहाँ मिस्टर मोहम्मद यासिन जी वहाँ पे रिस्पॉन्डेंट थे, और वहाँ पे पिटिशनर जो थी वो थी अनीसा मोहम्मद यासिन जी, क्योंकि उन्होंने उनके ऊपर चार्जेस लगाए थे, क्रिमिनल पिटिशन मीन्स क्रिमिनल चार्जेस लगाए थे कि वो उनको मेंटेनेंस नहीं दे रहे थे एट दैट टाइम। जब मोहम्मद यासिन जी हाई कोर्ट मूव करे तो वो पिटिशनर बन गए, एंड उन्होंने बोला कि ये जो क्रिमिनल केस मेरे अगेंस्ट लॉन्च हुआ है उसे क्वैश किया जाए। सो वो हाई कोर्ट मूव हुए ताकि उनको रिलीफ मिल सके। सो दिस वॉज द थिंग दैट वॉज गोइंग ऑन, एंड कोर्ट ने भी ऑब्जर्व किया कि अगर आप मेंटेनेंस नहीं पे कर पा रहे हो, सो यू कुड नॉट बी बुक्ड अंडर सेक्शन 31 ऑफ द डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट, जहाँ पे इससे मीन्स टू पे द मेंटेनेंस कुड नॉट बी considered as a protected order, right? And the judgment on which the High Court judge, that is Justice Shiv Shankar Amnarwar, relied on is Francis Cyril versus Lydia Jane. So this is the judgment on which he relied, that is on 2016 Criminal Law Journal 1967. In this he relied, and he quashed the criminal case against the Mohammad Yasin. What he observed was that you cannot book a person if he is not able to pay the maintenance under Section 31 of the Domestic Violence Act. And second thing, he has observed that you have provided a specific relief, means individually you have provided a specific relief under Section 18 and under Section 20. So under Section 18 of the Domestic Violence Act 2005 talks about that a person who is suffering from domestic violence is means is kept individually, means his husband could not contact her or communicate her, abate her and aid her, or try to communicate through any verbal communication, oral communication, in any manner he could not communicate her. That is a prohibited part from for the respondent end and for the aggrieved person as well. And under Section 20 it talks about the monetary relief, means when suit is disposed of under Section 12, so a judicial magistrate, he asked to pay a monetary relief to a person who has faced that consequences. So that is the thing that attracts two things. And what High Court has observed, that there is an error from the judicial magistrate end, that he has just there is a legal error actually from the judicial magistrate end, that he asked to file a criminal case against the petitioner, that is Mohammad Yasin. So he means High Court Justice has quashed that petition and relieve that person from that. You cannot book a person under Section 31 of the Domestic Violence Act of 2005. So this was the important judgment for a person who is going through a harsh phase of their life, where their marital life is not working out. And if your marital life is not working out, so there is a way that people get separated, and this is for them, this judgment is for them. You can go through the whole video, understand the things what I have tried to explain it to you, and if you like it, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.